Welcome to Board and Brush Creative Studio on Kingston Pike in Farragut, Tennessee. Your place to build on-trend farmhouse classic decor for yourself. At Board and Brush, you'll experience hands-on wood sign workshop class with knowledgeable instructors teaching you step-by-step the same techniques professionals use to create custom pieces you'll be proud to display in your home, your office, or to give as a gift. You can register for Board and Brush workshops through their website, boardandbrush.com/Knoxville. Whether you're looking for a fun night out with friends, a date night, a private party with a bachelorette, or corporate team building, or maybe you just want to work on a project without the hassle of purchasing all the supplies yourself. Well, Board and Brush, they've got you covered. And you can even purchase gift cards, which will make holiday and birthday gift giving even easier. Everyone will love getting the experience of Board and Brush. And don't forget the kids. Board and Brush offers birthday parties and creative make and take workshops that you can complete with your kids. Nothing is better than learning new skills together. And we guarantee there'll be plenty of laughter. You will definitely want to follow them on Facebook and Instagram at Board and Brush Knoxville to always be in the know about their latest workshop offerings. And be sure to check their website frequently to register for a workshop and check out all of the creative projects there are to choose from. The variety of projects is endless and ever-changing, from outdoor signs and welcome mats to placemats and large wall signs. The only limits are your creativity. You will be amazed when you take home your final project.